Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. And if you're one of my loyal subscribers, thank you for rocking with your girl. So here you all, I have these tumblers that I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, this is I want to say the spring line for 2025. So I've gone ahead and purchased quite a few of these tumblers. Because of the colors, you could use it for Mother's Day. You could use it for Valentine's Day, not because they're not all pink, but you could use it for any occasion. And I also went on Amazon and Temu, and I purchased some of these Mother's Day decals. You all, if you have these tumblers, putting these decals on there, turn it up a notch. I'm telling you all, if you have these and you do it Mother's Day, get some of these decals from Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, you'll get it in time. Don't do it on Temu because it's going to take forever to come, because next week, Sunday, is Mother's Day. I want to say today might be the 4th or the 5th. This is the weekend before Mother's Day, okay? So let me show you guys some of the decals that I have. These are I have 6 purple. I have more, but I did 6 purple, 6 orange, 6, it's like a mint green, 6 pink, and 3 white tumblers. So let me walk around and show you guys some of them. I was gonna put these decals on the side, but I'm like, let's put it on the front. So that's one that says moms are magical. This one says blessed mama. This one says best mom ever. This one just says mom. This one say happy Mother's Day. This one says mom, gosh, I'm blind, a daughter and friend. I think that's what it says. Well, you have this one that says mama, mom, happy Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day, mama, mama. This one says best mom ever. This one says mom of girls. This one says best mom ever. That one says mama. That one's green one says mama. I'm at a crazy weird angle. This one says mama with a lightning going through it, which means mom, you're hot. This one says hot mama. This white one says mama. I love those. Best mom, mama ever. This one just have a little baby and mom. I think I'm going to keep that one for myself because I kind of screwed up. This one says mama, best mom, I love mom, happy Mother's. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. This doesn't look like something from a Dollar Tree. Whew. Happy Mother's Day. Being a mom makes my life complete. I love mom. Happy Mother's Day and love mama. You all, as I said, if you all could get these from Dollar Tree, it might be too late because I've gone to several Dollar Trees and I didn't see any. But if you guys can go to Dollar Tree and find these, this would be awesome. With that being said, take care you all, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.